If you've ever cooked with cabbage, you've probably been afraid of what might happen. Either the cabbage will be tough and taste raw, or it will be so overcooked that it will become mushy and fill the house with its aroma. Many people give up cooking with cabbage altogether because of these bad experiences. I went for this method with exactly the same concern. I'm Mushy and I enjoy eating delicious food every day. So if you like to see another super delicious food with no bake and no meat, watch this content. A method that will preserve the texture of the cabbage and keep its delicious flavor. Here, I first put the cabbage slices in the hot oil, not to cook quickly, not to get it brown and crispy, just enough so that the surface will hold its own and be ready to continue cooking. This step is actually creating the foundation of the dish's texture. If you get it wrong here, no matter what you do next, the cabbage will either be mushy or tasteless. Then, finely chopped red bell pepper and green pepper are added to the pan. These two are not just for color. They both enhance the flavor of the dish, and they help to soften and balance the natural smell of the cabbage. From the moment the peppers enter the pan, the direction of the food's aroma changes. And instead of the pungent smell of the cabbage, you smell a warm and appetizing smell. When the egg is added, the critical point of cooking begins. This is exactly where many people rush, or turn up the heat in the hope of getting it done faster. But this rush either causes the cabbage to remain tough, or the egg to set too quickly and the texture of the food to be ruined. Here, you need to slow down and let the ingredients combine. That's why I put the lid on the pan. Not to smother the food, not to mash everything, just to allow controlled steam to form inside the pan. This steam helps distribute the heat evenly, and the cabbage to soften slowly, without losing its structure and shape. I give the food about 10 minutes. No playing with the flame, just the right heat, a closed door, and a little patience. Many times in cooking, that simple patience is more important than any seasoning. And it completely changes the final result. The result you see at the end is quite clear. The cabbage is soft, but still holds its shape. It's not mushy, it's not raw, and most importantly, there's no smell of cabbage. It's balanced in flavor and has a nice texture. And finally, with a little Parmesan cheese and black pepper, it's both a fuller flavor and a more appetizing appearance. These little details may seem simple, but they're exactly what turns an ordinary meal into a proper meal. The story is simple. Cabbage is ruined by pressure, haste, and the wrong heat. But when the heat is right and the steam is controlled, the cabbage will have exactly the texture and flavor you'd expect. If you've ever had trouble with cabbage, try this method at least once. You don't need to add anything fancy. Just follow the order, temperature, and time, and see for yourself.